Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out news on the Asphalt 9 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this message icon at the top of the screen. And here you can tap on the what's new section at the top, which is the second one. And here you can read about news such as join the sports finals around the world. So that's a trailer, patch notes, and also there is this for you section. And if you are interested in reading any of these, just tap on the relevant one and you are going to find more information about it. If it's a video, just tap on the watch button and you will be directed to a page where you can proceed watching the trailer or the video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.